The Berkeley Global Access program gives you the opportunity to really gain insights into challenging and innovative topics here on campus during the lectures, but also embrace new opportunities to meet new people while embracing new cultures. Hello, my name is Tilman from Germany, and I'm a visiting graduate student at the Berkeley Global Access program. I think the unique benefit of this program is the possibility to choose from courses from certain departments where you maybe only have basic academic knowledge but a high personal interest. So this gives you really the opportunity to also gain an insight into areas that maybe would not be on your university schedule, which makes it quite interesting. The lectures are not only focused on, I would say, theoretical concepts, but also try to implement practical examples, which are often done with real-life case studies or by inviting guest speakers into the lectures, which I think is quite unique. The one-on-one time with teachers was also always quite personal. They knew my name, they knew my background, they knew the contributions I did in class, so it was really helpful to get their professional feedback. What I really enjoyed about my fellow Berkeley Global Access students was that they were all from different parts around the world and all had different focus in their study, which made discussion quite interesting because you had such different point of views on the same problem, which was quite enriching. Everybody I met in the BGA program had a certain drive, so they had a certain problem they wanted to overcome, they had a certain goal they wanted to achieve. Besides the social and administrative support we got from the BGA program, there was also many resources focused on career development. These consisted of CV and resume workshops on how to apply to grad school. We had a career development course here, which gave units but was free for everybody participating in the BGA program. California is known as the Golden State, and this was also a thing when I arrived here. We drove the BART from the airport to Berkeley, across San Francisco, so getting a view on this huge city with the last skyscrapers, but then arriving at Berkeley, which is a little bit smaller, but really a familiar town where you have the whole city life playing around the campus. I traveled to Los Angeles, Las Vegas, Vancouver, also Hawaii, which I think is not always given, that you have this freedom to combine your studies with also a great personal experience. I would recommend this program for future students because I think the time here at Berkeley really helped me to find my specific area of academic interest and how no other program combines world-leading teaching with such a broad extracurricular environment, as well as being at the center of innovation and culture in the Bay Area.